Evening all, this is a catch up on the week's trades. We had two trades that we highlighted this week. One was the Audi yen and the second the New Zealand dollar. The Audi yen, we highlighted a potential Elliott wave with an ascending channel. We highlighted wave 1, wave 2 and potentially wave 3. We put a Fibonacci extension on to find our first take profit, which during wave 3 we hit perfect and we had a retracement. We were waiting for the push through our take profit 1 area and a continued move up to our take profit 2 area. All week basically we were bouncing up and down and we had a strong pullback from our level at around 80 pips from the high point down. Our stop loss was around 116 pips at this key area here we highlighted, which we're still above, and we can still see this strengthening up to take profit 2. This retracement may be the pullback for more buyers because obviously we've hit this key area here and we've got the noisy area on the left to contend with. So the trade is still looking good, although we are in negative territory, 80 pips roughly, but this is long-term trade for a good gain of around 180 pips from original entry. So again, we'll have to see how Sunday evening opens and going into the start of the week, but at present the trade is still live, still active. We've still got room to move before we hit our stop. New Zealand dollar, we started off looking at the monthly chart and it looked like we were still going to be breaking down because we had hit a good level, rejected straight away and pulled back down, rejected and gone through. We were looking for a short-term buy for a long-term sell, and we were looking around this area here, a short buy prior to the long-term sell from this supply demand zone. We hit our key level, which we had strong rejection of. We actually got into this trade and we were stopped out, unfortunately. The candle has gone through our moving average and it looks like the New Zealand dollar may fall further prior to upside movement, or this may be the turn to the downside. Part of me still thinks that there's room for this to go up further before we see the downside correction. We were stopped out. We're going to sit back, reevaluate and see if the market does reverse, push back through this level and come into our supply demand zone. If we do hit this level, then we will be sellers and strong sellers to the downside. Overall, we lost roughly, I think, 80 pips around there on this trade. Not a great week, but we can't win them all. That's trading. If there's any questions or comments, please let us know. We can come back to you.